How to start a salon business in Kenya. Have you ever thought of starting a salon business and you don't know where to start? You ask those who are in the salon business but they don't tell you enough information? Well, make sure you watch this video till the end so you don't miss a point. First, like this video so it can reach more people. And don't forget to subscribe now. Like any other business, you need to work out the statistics before getting started. If you don't know where to start, I prepared this guide to show you how to start a successful salon business. We will be going over the important requirements plus some tips you need to quickly make this business successful. Let's start with the requirements. What do I need to start a salon in Kenya? There are a couple of factors you need to consider when starting a salon business. They include capital, location, skill, equipment, legal requirements, and labor. These are the most important requirements you need to keep in mind when starting your salon business. If you have the above factors in check, everything will follow seamlessly. Let's go over each of these factors to understand them better. Capital. How much do I need to start a salon business in Kenya? The least amount you'll need is 50,000 shillings to start a successful salon business in Kenya. While you may get off the ground with a lower amount, it will take significantly longer to start seeing viable profits. Generally, I would recommend that you start with an initial investment of 100,000 Kenya shillings. The amount will of course vary depending on which equipment you settle for and the location you rent out. There are 3 ways you can get money for your salon business. Savings. The ideal way to get the capital will be to save up for some time. This way, you don't feel any financial pressure if things don't pick up fast. Loan. Instead of waiting up until you save enough, you can approach your bank or a circle you are in to lend you. Just be careful not to take a loan with high interest or unfriendly terms that might cost your business. Friends and family. If you have friends or family members who can support you financially, don't hesitate to approach them. Location. Which are the best places to start a salon business in Kenya? The location of a salon can break or build the business. This determines how much you pay up as rent or lease. Additionally, it also detects the type of clients you'll have and in what numbers. When choosing a location, aim to get a place that is as busy as possible. Target city centers or inside estate shopping centers. Another thing you have to consider is the type of customers you want to draw. If you want to cater to the middle class and below, you don't have to go to a city center and you do not need a lot of space. On the other hand, if you want to target high-end clients, you need to get a huge posh place that has enough parking for at least 4 clients at a time. After getting the perfect space, you need to renovate it to fit a salon setup. Unless you get a place that is already a salon, you will most likely find a plain room or space. You have to get it fitted with glasses, wiring that favors your equipment positions, and paint the premise with cool colors and graffiti to entice customers. In general, when picking a location for your salon, ensure that it's easy to find. Ensure that most of the people living around the area are likely to need salon services. Research your competitors. Find out how other salons in the area are doing. Discover their weaknesses and make them your strengths. Perfect time to subscribe and like this video. Thank you. Let's continue. Skill and labor. Do I need training before starting a salon business? Hairdressing is all about the skill. If you know what you're doing and the customer loves it, they'll come back again and bring more people well at it. In case you're completely blue, you need to attend some classes. While you might be a natural in cornrows or braids, you need to learn the art behind it. Currently, enrolling in a hair and beauty college will throw you back by around 15,000 shillings per term. I recommend you get a skilled hairdresser to train you. On the other hand, You might not be able to do all the work on your own, even if you get the training. That means you will still need to hire a few extra hands to keep work flowing. However, I advise you not to get more manpower than you need. It will only cost you more. You can continue hiring more personnel as the salon grows. Equipment. What equipment do I need to start a salon business in Kenya? A bigger share of your budget will go to equipment. There are necessities you can't begin without. Here are some common salon equipment in Kenya and their average prices. Workstation, 20,000. Hair washing sink, 4,000 to 20,000. Blow dryer, 2,000. Water heater, 2,000. Hair dryer, 3,000. Hair styling chair, 22,000. Workstation. This is usually a wooden or metallic structure complete with a mirror, drawers and compartments. Apart from being convenient to a client, it also makes work easier. You get different safe spaces to store your change money and all the other small items you may need. Do not forget to include a washing station. If you are on a tight budget, let your local carpenter make one for you. Blow dryer, water heater, and hair dryer. You will rarely miss these three in a salon. For a new, good quality blow dryer, you will need about 2,000 to 3,000 shillings. There is a vast variety of water heaters in the market. While the classic water heating cord rods are outdated, you can still get some at the beginning because they are cheaper. That is about 300 shillings. The safest option is getting a water heating jug or an electric kettle for around 5,000. For a hair dryer, you can get one with an average price of 15,000. As you grow, you can add a tongue or a flat iron. Otherwise, for starters, it's not a mandatory because the two can do the job. Hair styling chairs. In an ideal situation, you should get a few adjustable styling chairs. These chairs not only make the client feel more comfortable, but also make the whole salon look better. A single adjustable chair goes for averagely 30,000 shillings. You can begin with two or just get one if you have no employee. For friendlier budget, you can begin with a few plastic chairs instead. You will get this with around 650 shillings each. Remember to include a small size chair for your young customers too. Other necessary salon items in Kenya. Apart from the equipment named above, you will also need other small items like hairdresser apron. There are items you simply can't do without, like shampoos, conditioners, combs and brushes, cosmetic hair chemicals, and others. Also, you need aprons, towel, protective gloves, head wraps, and heat caps. If you will be offering manicure and pedicure, you'll need to buy the tools for the jobs as well. For the towels and aprons, you can get them from an open-air market near you. In summary, 10,000 shillings should be enough to buy all the small items for a start. Put in mind that the quality determines the price. Therefore, don't go for the lowest price tags. Your client's needs are very important. Never compromise on quality. Certification. What legal requirements do I need to start a salon business in Kenya? Like every other business in Kenya, you will need a few certificates if you want to operate legally. Firstly, you need a trade license. Your local county government will price your trading license according to the size and location of your business. You will have to go to their offices to apply for one and follow due process. You'll also have to get a health certificate and a fire safety certificate. You will get health certificate from any government or private hospital. It is essential to guarantee your customers a healthy environment. For a fire safety certificate, you can get it from your local county government office, like the trade license. Almost every activity in a salon uses electricity and produces a lot of heat. You need to be able to counter any fire accident that might occur swiftly and safely. Are you still watching? Have you subscribed? Okay, like this video as well. Thank you. Is salon business profitable in Kenya? A salon business can be profitable in Kenya if you put in the right strategies. You can make about 15,000 shillings or more per month depending on the size of your salon. Some factors that affect the profit margin of a salon business in Kenya include the size of the salon, location, type of equipment, your skills, competition, customer services. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you've now learned a thing or two on how to start a successful salon business. Don't be scared of starting small. Either a long journey begins with a single step. Your salon journey begins now. Go ahead and start. The time is always right. Cheers. Now, subscribe. Like this video so it reaches more people. And leave your positive comment below. God bless you.